Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous bag to show you today. So this is a Prada, and it is the Prada Vitello Shine Shoulder. And you can see it's got this beautiful kind of slightly shiny blue leather, which is so soft and tactile. It's gorgeous. It's got a great like casual shape. It's perfect kind of for every day. I love it. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one zipped pocket here at the front, and that has got a little push lock on there. So push that like that and it just comes loose, and you've got that lovely chunky leather zip pull there. So that zip still works really nicely. And then we've got that Prada fabric lining inside. And then on the back, I've got a similar thing again, but just a normal little zip pull there. So I'll open that up and show you in there, another zipped pocket on the back. And then we have got one top handle. You can see that it is adjustable as well. And then we've got a zip top closure, and I love all the kind of chunky hardware on this bag. It's just very cool. So you've got that another like nice big zip pull, and then we've got these rings as well, which are gorgeous. Inside we've got another zipped pocket here. So that just opens up like that in there. And then we've got the Prada leather tag on there as well, in that same beautiful coloured leather as the exterior of the bag. And then on the opposite side, we've just got one flat pocket here. And then it's just one nice big spacey compartment in there as well. The condition of this one we have called good all around. You can see it just has that kind of pre-loved and pre-used look, but in like a really nice way, I think because it's so casual and kind of usable, that pre-loved look kind of adds to it. It's really nice. And then hardware we've called good. You can see some of that gold tone is just starting to fade in certain areas, and you can see we've just got some scratching and some fading, but it just adds to that kind of like used and kind of chunky casual look. I really like it. So while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have got Prada dust bag, and then we've got two little Prada envelopes. So one of them has authenticity card and the care card in there as well. You can see it's just a little care booklet. And then we've also got the product tag in there. You can see it's got that colour name on there. And then we've got another little Prada envelope, and inside another authenticity card there. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop, so hopefully it should take you directly to this Prada. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I am really sorry. That does mean it has sold. But what you can do is get on our request list. Just let us know that you love this. We'll pop you on our request list and send you over an email as soon as we get one in the shop like it, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. And that applies to any bag that you have in mind as well. Just let us know and we'll get you on our request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help. And that handle, that top handle, just sits really nice and comfortably on my shoulder there. You can see I've still got quite a nice bit of space, so it's just sitting really comfortably there, and it's a beautiful colour. I picked the right cardigan today for kind of a monochrome look with this bag, but it's gorgeous, that kind of deep bluey colour. I love it. And again, it's just got a lovely casual relaxed feel to it. It's beautiful. So if you wanted any more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below, have a browse to our website while you're there, and sign up to our newsletter. We'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that on your first purchase with us. And also don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. If you've got any bags you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, all the details you need to know are on that page. So have a look, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.